Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be working with the IC. A couple things to keep in mind with the IC is you want to check your regenerant and eluent levels before you start running. The regenerant container should be completely full to the top with no headspace. The eluent container, as long as it's halfway full, you will have enough to run your samples for the lab. When we're getting the instrument ready and getting it started, you want to make sure that you prime the pump. There are two knobs on the IC. One that is covered with red tape that adjusts the pressure. Please do not touch that knob, otherwise all the tubes and lines will be popping off at you, and it's not very fun to have eluent shooting all over the place. The knob that you use to prime the pump is the little black knob on the mixer off to the left. When you open that knob, you only need to give it half a turn. If you keep twisting the knob, eventually it will come off, and that is not good either. While the knob is turned, so it's open, you will need to check the flow rate to make sure that there's liquid coming out, and we'll show you where that is in just a second. After you know that liquid is coming out, you are going to close the knob, so you close the system, let it equilibrate for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you want to check the flow rate. And here's how you check the flow rate.
In order to check the flow rate, you need to remove the tube from the waste jug underneath the IC, and then you place the long black tube into the graduated cylinder, and you let it run for about 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, you need to check the level in the graduated cylinder. It should be about 1 milliliter. If the flow rate is less than 1 milliliter per minute, then you need to wait another 10 to 15 minutes and check again. If there is less than 1 milliliter per minute, and the instrument has been equilibrating for 40 to 60 minutes, then find either a lab assistant or the instructor and check again.